Hi guys, and welcome back to Chip's Green World. In today's vlog we're going to be lifting this geranium and transplanting it over the other side of the pond. So without any further ado, let's get on with this week's vlog. Hi and welcome back to Chip's Green World. I'm Chip, this is the courtyard, that's Spud, Flower, that's Gypsy Boy, the work, the jobs. Join us on our adventures. Let's get to work. Right guys, so lifting and replanting a geranium. We're going to be moving the geranium from one side of the pond to the other. Perfect spot, as this is where we lost the lupins. So yeah, this is where it's going to go. There's a bit more shade there, and this geranium loves a bit of shade, so it should suit it down to the ground. Ooh, and look who's joined us, little Spud. Right, stop getting distracted and let's get on with this. Right, so we have two geraniums here. We have a white one and a pink one. They're both planted at the same time, though they have grown into each other and they both need a bit more space. So we're going to lift one, the white one, and transplant it over to the other side. Geraniums are shallow rooted, so we're just going to use a fork and ease this out. I should have really done this about a month ago, but today's the day, and that's how things are sometimes. So I'll just have to take special care of it, make sure I water it every day, settle it in nicely. Right, so it's coming loose now. I think a few more goes and oops, there we go, we've got it. A good tip is to have a bucket of water nearby and just let it sit in the bucket of water till you're ready to plant it. Also a great time while you're lifting your geranium to split and divide. But I'm not going to be doing that today, just a simple replant today. I will come back and fill this hole once I've dug the hole for the white one. Right, that's the pink geranium sorted. Got lots of space to grow into now. Now on to replanting the white one. The soil in this area has got a bit compact because I was standing here and kneeling here while I was cleaning the pond out. So I'm just going to break it up with the spade. And as the hole only needs to be about 4 inches deep, I'll do the rest with a trowel and just scoop it out with my hands. This way there's less chance of me disturbing the plants either side. Right, the last little bit and then we'll start planting. Right, I think we're there, so let's get this baby tucked back into its bed. It's time to introduce it to its new little home. Tuck it in its little hole. Make sure you've got all the roots tucked in all the way around. And once you're happy with its position, start replacing the soil, making sure there's no air gaps. Firming it in as you go along. So both of these geraniums are hardy geraniums. This geranium is Geranium nodosum silverwood. It's a repeat bloomer and has the most beautiful white flowers, and the pink one is Pink Penny, if I remember rightly. One of the longest flowering perennials available. Right, that's the back done. Now onto the front, which now the front is the back because I've actually turned this completely around. So gently lift up the foliage and replace all the soil, tucking it nicely in, firming it in as you go around. And once this is planted, we'll be giving it a good soaking to help settle it in. And there we go. I think we're done. And that's how easy it is to transplant your geranium. Right, now to give it a good old soaking. and we'll have to keep an eye on this and keep it watered regularly. I would suggest every other day, little and often. It's probably a good idea. I'm lifting up the foliage so I can get straight to the roots, not to put any more pressure on the poor little geranium, as it'll be already in shock mode. I'm sure it'll spend the next few hours drooping, throwing a little tantrum, probably missing its little buddy over the pond. They can always wave across the waters, as many of us do. And there we go, all done. 2 little geraniums, all ready to bloom and give me lots of gorgeous flowers this summer. Something to look forward to. So, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Okay, bye now.